Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be an update video for this channel. I actually haven't done one of these in a while, so here it is. So first off, what I wanted to talk about was we are almost approaching 10,000 subs. So in order to celebrate that, I was thinking of doing some sort of a giveaway. I'll have to see about that. The next thing I wanted to talk about is I recently built myself a new PC. If you didn't know, I was using a Dell Inspiron 7559 laptop, but that was going a little bit too slow for my liking, especially when editing videos. So I recently built myself a new PC. Basically, all the specs are in the description below if you guys want to check that out. But it's a Core i5-8600K with 16 gigabytes of Corsair RAM. And what else? I'm about to put a video card in there, a dedicated video, so I believe I'm going to use the 1060, the GeForce 1060, since that would fit my needs perfectly. I don't think I need anything more powerful than that. The only thing I will maybe add is another 16 gigabytes of RAM, but I'm going to wait for the price to go down on that since RAM right now is quite pricey, if you guys didn't know. The next thing I wanted to update you guys was on my mouse. So if you didn't know, I used to use the Logitech G85, which is a pretty sweet mouse, but the cable or the wire was getting in the way. It was kind of annoying, and I figured I'm just going to go wireless, but before I go fully wireless, I'm going to test it out. So I bought this cheap wireless mouse off Amazon. It's actually a generic mouse. You can get pretty much the same one off AliExpress, to which I actually bought a second wireless mouse on AliExpress. It's called a JellyComb Mouse, I believe. I'll have a link in the description below, but anyway, I didn't get it yet, so I can't really test it out for you guys. But this mouse that I have right here in front of me, this is a pretty sweet mouse, and I think I paid like 10 to 12 bucks for it. You could get it for a lot cheaper if you purchase it directly from China via AliExpress, so I'll have a link to that below if you are interested in purchasing one for yourself. But it's a pretty decent mouse actually for under 10 bucks, yeah. Definitely recommend it. If you guys want to see me review this mouse, let me know in the comment section below. So out with the old, in with the new. Even that it's not better, it fits my needs better. The next thing I wanted to talk about was my YouTube name. So as you may have noticed, I've been switching my name quite a bit, actually quite a bit too much. So I believe the first name I used was Silent Waka. That was the first YouTube name that I used. Then I switched it to ZWAS. After ZWAS, I switched it to TechmanZ, and from TechmanZ I went to Z-Man. But I have been getting a few complaints here and there that I'm copying some other YouTuber's name, which honestly I'm not. My name is actually Zvi Wasserman, so I just took the Z from the initial from the beginning of my name, and then I took the man from the last part of my name and I just put them together. And it just so happened to be another YouTuber's name. Not entirely, but the first part of the name. I think he's called Z Reviews. And funny enough, he reviews audio products as well. He does earphones and stuff like that. So anyway, to cut the story short, I am going to be switching my YouTube name again. Unfortunately, I'm going to switch it to probably Z Wasserman. This way it's got the initial of my first name, and it's also got my last name in there as well. So it's not going to be Z-Man, it's going to be Z Wasserman. Or maybe I'll just switch it to another nickname. I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. But it's definitely going to be changed. So there shouldn't be any confusion there, and then I'll probably just do a redesign on my logo. I'll probably get some guys off Fiverr to do that for me since my designing skills are crap. So those are the things that I pretty much wanted to talk about. And then one more thing is I did get a speaker in actually that was sent out to me by BenQ. It's called a Trovolo S, and it's an electrostatic Bluetooth speaker. So I'm going to be reviewing it within the next few days. I'm going to be testing it out, and then I'll come up with a video of it. But anyway, those are the things that I wanted to talk about in this video today. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.